If you want to make friends at your Swiss workplace, show up with a bag of Gipfeli. It's the Swiss way of saying, please like me. In Canada, we do the same thing with Timbits. For some people in Switzerland, this, paired with a ridiculously tiny coffee, is their entire breakfast. For others, it's their second breakfast. You may be looking at this and thinking, hey, I know what that is. That's a croissant. No. This is a Gipfeli. This is a croissant. See the difference? If you go to a bakery here, they will be labeled separately. However, as soon as you put the both of them together in one bag, it all becomes Gipfeli. The main difference between croissant and Gipfeli is that croissants are better. Sorry, Switzerland, I'm with the French on this one. Croissants have more butter in them, and a bit more butter makes the batter better. A Gipfeli goes stale approximately 10 seconds after you take it out of the oven and explodes into a million crumbs as soon as you take a bite out of it. To compensate for this chronic dryness, the Swiss have several strategies. 1. They dunk it into coffee. 2. They suggestively insert a chocolate stick into it. 3. They spread butter or jam on one end, take a bite, spread more butter and jam on, take another bite, and so forth. This technique effectively maximizes the topping to Gipfeli ratio. At the risk of committing heresy, I'd like to humbly suggest a few Gipfeli hacks that I've discovered during 9 years of Gipfeli indoctrination. 1. Warm it up. The stalest of Gipfeli can be vastly improved by a few seconds in the microwave or in the oven. 2. A chocolate stängeli is good, but a chocolate peanut butter cup is even better. Unfortunately, these are hard to find in Switzerland. 3. Stay with me here. You could just buy a croissant. Mon Dieu, where? La bibliothèque, téléphone,
baguette.
Baguette.